In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account. To begin, open your internet browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari on your computer. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type www.gmail.com and press Enter. This will take you to the Gmail homepage. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, you'll see a link that says Create Account. Click this link to begin the setup process. After clicking Create Account, a small box will pop up asking if you're setting up the account for yourself, a child, or your work or business. Choose For Personal Use. By clicking on it, this will take you to a new page where you'll begin entering your personal information. Enter your first and last name in the boxes and click Next. Choose the date you were born and select your gender from the drop-down menu. Then click Next. Choose a username, example yourname@gmail.com, and click Next. If the username you want is already taken, Gmail will suggest alternatives, or you can try adding numbers or periods. Choose a strong password you'll remember, aiming for something that's at least 8 to 12 characters long. Add numbers and symbols to make it harder to guess. Make sure it's easy to remember, or write it down and store it in a safe place. Retype the password to confirm, then click Next. Now enter your phone number and click Next. Then enter the verification code you received by text. Click Next. For recovery email, enter another email if you have one, or click Skip. On the next screen, you'll see your full name and new Gmail address. Click Next if everything looks good. On this screen, Gmail will display Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Read through them, or just scroll down, and when you're ready, click I agree to continue. Account setup is complete. You can now use your new Gmail account. By following these steps, you can easily set up a Gmail account.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.